The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2018 through 2024 Toyota Camry with the bare roof. We've just installed the Thule WingBar Evo Clamp base rack system. This is using the WingBar Evo load bars, 53 inches in length, black shown here, but silver is also available. The foot clamp set, which comes in a set of 4, and vehicle-specific fitting kit, 145082. Locks can be added to the system for security, but are not required. Crossbars are spaced at 30.5 inches center to center, and you get a weight carrying capacity of 165 pounds evenly distributed. So a great rack for all different types of gear, like bikes, kayaks, and other cargo. But this has been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system without leaving anything behind, visit the link in the description below. So that's going to be it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.